Hi, my name is Lida Marcela Gomez Sanchez, studying social communication. I went to Peru the last November and I stayed there for 7 days with two friends, Anderson and Luis. It was wonderful and visited many beautiful places there like Lima and Cusco. I walked a lot. I like Lima because it could sit in front the sea, but it was very cool. My favorite place was the Huacachina Desert and Inca. We surfed the sun and was a very great experience. I like Machu Picchu. I like to. I want to come back soon. And recommend some things. One, you should budget everything very well. Research different, different transportation, food, and hotel prices. Two, according to the morning and time you have, you could choose between traveling by plane or by bus. Three, you should pack your bags according to the airline's recommendation. Four, you should not take liquid, shoes, and perfumes in your carry-on. Five, you should get to the airport and leave 2 hours before the planes leave. Six, you should not forget about visiting Islas Ballestas, Cusco, and Machu Picchu. When it arrived to Lima, the weather was very cool, was on sunny day, but it was good idea wear a jacket for the wind. But when you was in Cusco, was freezing there and used a lot of jackets. When we was in the road to Machu Picchu, it was warm, snowy weather and saw a cloudy sky. So I thought that the rain it was coming. It was necessary wear an windbreaker jacket. Machu Picchu was very muddy, was dirt everywhere, and it was necessary to put my boots to we walk to Sacred City. It was there, and the guide recommended return because that the breezy weather were cut off the way. My travel to the Seven Wonders from the modern world was unforgettable of the way. Bye.